I'm Pete Ambrose, and my wife and I started Ambrose Farms 38 years ago plus. And we've been growing commercial vegetables for the last probably 34 years and transitioned into more organic approach to it. And we grow probably 30 varieties of vegetables, fruits, and we grow it as organically as we can. We probably harvest 130 acres of grasses and turn that into fertilizers, so we're not using any chemical fertilizers whatsoever. And if you want to take a look at how things grow on compost, that's a pretty good shot. This is vitamin green, Tokyo Bacana, tatsoi, spinach, some weeds over there. If you're organic, you can't be too worried about the weeds because they just go happen. And I really enjoy what I do. It's